there and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So, I have BoxyCharm. Yes, my paid box came and let me know if you've seen it somewhere before. All right, so let's talk about BoxyCharm. It's $27.99 a month. It's reoccurring. It's taken out of your account. It's an automatic debit transaction. They also include a $1.99 handling fee and their taxes. Mine comes out to about $32 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and they tell you the average for value for a base box is $175, but we won't see about that because it's not always that way. All right. Here's my card, tells you a little bit about the products here. Let's just clear things off. Okay, so the Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser, I have used this because I got it in my PR box. And I like it. I like it a lot. It definitely is a nice fresh scent. It's pretty color. It's nice and yellow. I'll go ahead and put a close-up on the screen for you. Let me tell you what the retail value is on this cleanser. It's La Palette Beauty Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser, a $32 value, and it's a new brand to Boxy. Then we have the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. This is an $89 value. Like, what? Are you kidding? I know Murad is a good brand for an eye serum. Ooh, that's kind of hefty, huh? So I have used her. Pretty little packaging. It's just nice and light. There's no scent, no nothing. We'll have to see if it actually does a little something here. I'll have to let you know about that. Okay, moving on. LaRousse Beauty, the special edition 3-piece eye brush set, $38 value. In my opinion, not worth it. And I do like LaRousse brushes. It's just the one floppy brush. It's not, I'm not a fan of it. I'm just not. Okay, moving on. And I used her today. Real Her Blurring Veil Set Your Goal Powder, $25 value. Okay, wait a minute. Let's see if this is the same shade. Here, I have it here. Is it the same? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, so it is definitely slightly blurring. That's what it looks like, but it comes out much lighter on the skin. See there? And yeah, I mean, I like it. It almost has like a little bit of a luminosity to it too, though. I don't think I told you that in the last video, and I'm not sure the camera will pick it up, but it's definitely there. Okay, so the last thing in my box is the Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. It has a $28 value. I used her on my eyes today. I knew I was going to be making this video. So far, it's pretty decent. I will say, though, if you're going to use concealer as a base, because I cannot find my eyeshadow primer, the shades don't blend as well. So that's something you might want to keep in mind if you did pick up this palette. But I do like it. And this here is your, like, pressed glitter. Super pretty. If you've got any questions for me, let me know. I will total up this box value and put it on the screen for you. It is variation 1, in case you were wondering. And that concludes my unboxing for BoxyCharm. All of it under 5 minutes. Okay, so tell me, do you get BoxyCharm? Are you unboxed? Did you break up? I mean, just tell me all the details down in the comments. I can't wait till I talk to you there. I can't talk today. I think I need more coffee. Yeah, I know. So thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would take a chance on this channel and go on this journey with me, because I'd love to get to know you. If you want, tell me something about yourself down in the comments. I look forward to reading it, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.